Kids who get high repeatedly.
Smoke 'em.
Oh, it gets darker, Morty.
Here we go again.
Yeah, they go. Blah. Fuck 'em.
And a bunch of the Szechuan sauce, like as much as you're allowed to give me. In 1998, they had this promotion for the Disney film Mulan, where they created a new sauce for the McNuggets called Szechuan sauce, and it's delicious. And then they got rid of it, and now it's gone.
Yeah, it goes.
Here we go again.
And it's delicious.
Fuck off.
Kids who get high repeatedly.
Smoke 'em.
Oh, it gets darker, Morty.
Here we go again.
Yeah, it goes. Fuck 'em.
All right, Morty, can you put this on the shelf? Don't drop it. I'm not an idiot, Rick. I'm not gonna drop.
I'm sorry, Rick.
Morty, you idiot. Now I have to make more.
What was it?
It's acid, Morty. Pure LSD.